Hey, welcome to my new channel, and I just want to preface this by saying that custom keyboards aren't for everyone, so please do take note, but this is just the one that I built. I enjoyed it. This is the first one that I built, actually, and I do want to inform you that this does cost a lot more than a standard keyboard you can buy off the shelf. But anyways, let's get started. So for custom keyboards, you need several different components. First off, you need to find a case, and there you can find a lot of them just on a lot of different websites, but I got mine off of KBDFans. This is their 5-degree case, meaning that it is tilted upwards 5 degrees in the back, so that way it helps you be able to find a better angle to type on rather than having it completely sit flat. There do exist other cases that are flat, but most tend to have some sort of angle to it, because it makes it more pleasant to type and just more comfortable and ergonomic. But there are several different angles that exist out there that you can pick from, just not specifically for this case, because this one is designed with a 5-degree inclination. But either way, I picked it because, well, it has a lot of these nice geometric shapes along the side, and in general, it looks good. For keycaps, I decided to go with GMK Skiidata. It's actually the second time that this set has been released. There was one way before I even joined the hobby, but nowadays this is the second run and it closed, and I was lucky enough to be able to join in and getting a set. It's a sort of dark gray with orange legends and some modifier keys that are also included that are orange with dark gray legends, and so that's why I also picked an orange case, was to complement the orange legends. So these are ABS keycaps, meaning that over time they will shine up or start developing reflective surfaces as sort of the surface texture gets worn down into a smoother, shiny type of surface. But either way, GMK is a really good company in the hobby and is well renowned for just making high quality sets of keycaps. Like, all the legends are really consistent, they're all the right color, and they don't really make many mistakes, if any. I didn't see any in my set, and I was pretty happy with how these turned out. For switches, I decided to go with some Holy Pandas. These were the mass drop ones, so they came with a little bit of lube. I had to ultrasonic clean them out, and then I re-lubed them with some 3203 from Switch Mod. So that's some relatively thin lube, and Holy Pandas are made from a combination of the Invir Panda housing and I think it was the Halo True stem, and then you can just throw in a variety of different springs. But either way, I thought these were good as long as I just re-lubed them. Next, we have some more of the inner workings of the actual keyboard. I had to get a plate and then a PCB. The PCB sits beneath the plate, and the plate is just sitting on top of it. It sort of helps maintain where the switches stay, and it also provides a little bit of how the keyboard feels and how it sounds and everything. And then lastly, there's the stabilizers. I went with GMK's screw-in stabilizers just because they were very popular, and I can mod some of them a little bit so that they're smoother and quieter. So those are all the parts, and all that's left is just to assemble it. I assembled all of it off camera on stream, so if you want to go follow my Twitch, go for it. And sometimes I assemble keyboards on there from now on, I guess. But anyways, now on to the typing test so you can hear how it sounds. Let's go. So overall, I'm pretty impressed with all the individual material qualities of all the components and just how nice this entire build was. Coming into this hobby, I had a lot of uneasiness about just general material quality, you know, because everything's expensive, how it would feel, whether or not it would be worth its money. And I think for the most part, especially with the outcome that you get as a whole, it's definitely worth that amount of money that you pay for it. So let's sort of total up how much I actually spent, you know, building this keyboard that is really good, that I really enjoy, and I think I will build more keyboards in the future. Maybe not immediately considering the price, but anyways. 70 Holy Panda switches from Master Drop, $90 shipped. The 5-degree KBDFans case, $88. The 60% plate, $21.90. The PCB, $55. The screw-in stabilizers, $18. The keycap set, $168.25. So in total, I spent $441.15 on this build. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, share, comment, like, do all of that fun stuff. And I'll see you next time, whenever the next video is for this channel.